Hey guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, I will do a Imvu versus Second Life Part 2, What is Better? So, since you liked your first part a lot, I decided let's do a second one and with different categories, of course. And if I might have skipped some or you have some suggestions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And let's start with the first category. So category number 1 is marriage. So for marriage, you have to purchase it, and once you have it, you will have your partner's name in your profile. What's optional, you don't have to show it, and you get, let me show you, this selected, and our room means you have one room together with you both can put any room, and you both can change, like put on stuff, move the stuff. Usually when you go in a room, only the owner can. So today the marriage pack is on sale, but usually it costs $29.99. It's basically $30. So you just have one room that you can share with somebody and this person's name. So for Second Life partnering / marriage, all you have to do is go on the webpage, and here it says send a partner proposal, and you put your partner's name in here. A proposal is optional, and you send it, but you and your partner have to have 10 linens each so it can work. And if you want a divorce, it costs 25 linen, which is absolutely cheap compared to Imvu. And so if you click on your profile, it's like on Imvu, you will get this thingy here corner. I have no partner. Number 2 is access pass / adult pass, and this is this icon right here and this age icon right here. What means you can get naked or use this adult stuff in the shop. So when I hop on here, you have to buy it for, it's usually $5.50, but now it's $3. Once you have it, you have to put it from your passport, all your data, because you have to be over 18. If you aren't, there's no way you can get it. Once you have it, once IMU confirms your age, you can hop here and buy for $19.99. So you have here this tools, GA, and access pass, like general, audience, and yeah, now currently it's on all, but you can just switch on one. That's what I do when I make videos, so I don't want to show any nudes. And now I'm going to switch on app. Here we are. So there's so many items. You just, not only you have in women's, you have a men's section, you have avatars, room, furniture, posters, everything is in adult style. So in women, you have so much nudes or clothing that are transparent or showing butt or whatever a little bit. So, and yeah, basically you can wear adult stuff, you can get naked and much more for around $20. So on the annual page, I went on upgrades and access pass perks, and what you get is app only items in the shop, app only groups, app only profile badge, what is this, app only chat rooms, app only people search, and app only avatar actions. So for Second Life access pass, you don't need one. You automatically have one if you're over 18 and have set it. Like if you're underage, anyway, if you put your age over 18 on Second Life, you can automatically have AP. So when you go shopping or anything, you have it, you can shop for this stuff. But anyway, if you are 18 or not, you can get naked. Like all you have to do is go here in your appearance and you detach everything, right click, detach all the clothing, and you're standing naked. So for the VIP, let's see what you can get. Get 5,000 credits per month, enjoy 5% saving of everything in the catalog, take 10% off the badges, get more / free credits each month, you remain a VIP. What basically means if you like buy VIP before it expire, you get every month extra, and if you buy for 3 months without break, you get a free name change, which is amazing. Shop together with premium and changement. Enjoy and change dress up and clothing controls. Remove guests from the name as long as you are VIP. Get an exclusive VIP badge. Block unwanted avatar actions. Unblock VIP only avatar actions. Enjoy Imvu without third-party ads. Get a name change token after 3 months of continuous membership. Earn credits by creating and selling your own items. Whisper privately in your chats was amazing, and organize your clothing with enchantment controls. Create up to 10 chat rooms, $300 value, but this is just, if you stop you'll lose everything, by the way. Create up to 10 groups. Enjoy prioritized help, including real-time chat and phone support. What means you have you can chat with them directly without waiting 3 days. So we come to the category VIP on Second Life. So you can buy it, but you don't have to. Here we have a different membership, premium, best value, $72 in a year. When I'm honest, on Imvu it's $10 a month, and in 12 months it's over $120. So it's still cheap on Second Life. So yeah. So Second Life premium benefits: you own private home. Little homes are ready to move in homes that belong to a themed community and available only to premium members. Then we have here $1 rewards, exclusive virtual goods, then exclusive premium only areas, then expand support included live chat. It's like an Imvu. Option to get land in popular mainland areas. For the next category, I have quality / texture, and for that I'm gonna hop in the shop, and for that I will check out this most popular, I would say, Imvu creators. For example, Yala is really, I would say, on the top, and for that I'll check one of her latest stuff. So let me put it on. So even though it's Imvu, I must say the quality is still pretty much amazing, and I love an Imvu that we have VP hair included in every single hair, and that's pretty amazing. You don't have to buy it separately, and yeah, the texture is pretty amazing. Let me try some in color, and yeah, it still depends on the creator, but the texture is pretty nice and silky. So for texture and quality on Second Life, I will demonstrate the stuff I'm wearing. Let me stop my avatar. For the clothing, it's really the quality on Second Life is really good. The texture, everything is looking pretty amazing. So this hair is by Dukes, and she is definitely my favorite hair creator. And in this hair, these baby hairs are included, and just to look at this texture, this looks like goddamn real hair. This strands, it's different. Here we have some lighter ones. It's looking pretty amazing. I mean, creators could never. Forward and backward hair and without, and we get also accessories option. You can put it on and off, and on Imvu of course you just get one hairstyle with one color, while on Second Life it's really different. And if I would count on the price, how much it would cost to compare with Second Life, how many colors you get here, I'm pretty sure Imvu would be more expensive, but let me show you the colors first. So here we have the colors, and we have so many. So next up for the dating, and I wanted to mention it because I want to tell you the difference. And yeah, Imvu, you have the shop where when you date, you of course gonna go there. Second option is your own room or the public chat rooms. There are 3 options only where you can meet with your partner. And yeah, what you can do in the shop, you go shop together, whatever. In the chat rooms you can sit around, be on poses or dance, I don't know, and it's really limited on Imvu. When you have a marriage pack, you have a room where you can be together and where you can furnish together. So for Second Life dating, well, once you've partnered your boyfriend, of course, like I mentioned, you can live together. And what I also like, you can talk to this person. For example, you have here this microphone. Once you click the middle thing on the mouse, you can talk to this person. Demonstration purpose, you have this cell phone, add voice to this chat, so you can call this person and talk, even though you're not in the same room currently. And yeah, you can text, of course, you can hang out, go to romantic places, go to events together. Like there's endless stuff on Second Life, like real life stuff. So the next category is picture quality, and I really wanted to compare it to see what is better. For me, Imvu picture quality is bomb. You have two options how to take a picture. You have this higher slow background or higher snap option, and it will be saved on the desktop. So if I tap here and click start, harvest, no BG, and press enter, it will be saved on the desktop without background. Here it is, and this is the one without background, and you see here this Harrison BG1 for the first picture in here once you took it. And here is when I open it, and the quality of Imvu pictures is pretty much bomb. Like, it looks really freaking snatched. So the main and default option to take pictures is here, and we have this option for this or this, and also to remove the backgrounds. So for Second Life picture quality, I will make a full video on it, but the only option here, you have this camera tool, snapshot, and let me open it. You have here the option if you want to save it for your profile, save to disk, and you can here have some options. So I always go in custom and put mine over 5,000, so I have a really good quality. And so I will put on a post so I can show you. So let me click refresh and wait a second, and then we click save. And you hear this sound. I love the sound. It's like these old cameras. So, but on Second Life, what you can do is play with your moonlight and add a shadow and much more. So when I remove this, I'll use my favorite moonlight. So let's give it a second. It's this Anon Adored tan skin. Any avatar have a tan skin, so I have reflectors that I use. So I'll show you a picture that is well done that I did yesterday. So this is Imvu, and this is Second Life. Like, you can add shadow, and wherever you go, you have a shadow in the background. For the next category, creating, I will hop on my other account again to show you everything. For example, you wanna make your own hairs. So for example, let's go on hairstyle, and if you want to derive this hair, I'll make the exact same one. You click on the eye icon, more information. So now this have opened from TMZ, but this is not what we need. We click on here, derivable, this dreamy 00. So then this will open, and you scroll down and click on the relevant product, and this is only if you have VIP, and then it will open. So once we are here, of course you load your avatar, blah blah blah. So once it's loaded, of course you add your own texture, and I'm gonna do it a little speed up. So I'm editing the video and decided to show you something that I forgot to show yesterday. So on Second Life, when you create, it's for free. One on Imvu, you have cost to make products. For example, here we have the price, and this is how much I have to pay to derive from the product. And yeah, I thought I would just get all the money, but it's not the truth. So you put my profit, how much I want, for example 100 credits, and this is the end price. This is how much I'm gonna pay just to upload it to my shop. And in the beginning I thought I would get the whole money, but it's not the truth. The truth is the person that created it here will get all the money, and plus Imvu will get its fees. So yeah. So then we have the option for Second Life creating. So I'm not really into creating on Second Life, and I don't know how, but the only thing I create are shapes. So basically, you go in inventory, you have this plus sign, and you can here choose what you're gonna do. New body parts, you can make eyes, hair, skin, shape. I only know how to make shapes. Then you can make clothing, tattoo, jackets, pants, and much more gestures you can create. And the cost, for example, if I do a shape and put on a marketplace, I have no cost to publish it. And if I sell it, Second Life takes some fees. For example, if I sell something for 100 linens, I might get 95 linens or something like that. Like, the fees are low, to be honest, and the cost to upload is nothing. Like, you can be broke and still have a shop on Second Life. So the next category is gifts, and you can give gifts to your friend or receive from them if they send you. So for example, let's go on my friend list. I don't know, let's go with this person that have guests. You have here the option to invite to chat, invite to play the game, to shop, and to send them message. So we're gonna click on that. And we click this option, add gift, and oh my god, here we have all a lot adult stuff. Someone sent this person the lab work. I'm sure gonna pick a person with these items in it. Message. I'm gonna type in have fun, winky face, and send it. Now, a few different types of gifts. We have the type of gifts you get on when you join some groups and you get all the stuff that are displayed there as gifts. You can get gifts on some events if they have anniversaries, and you can grab everything, and that's pretty amazing. Then we have gifts that you can get from friends. For example, if they go to a store and send you gifts from there. So the next category is help/support if something happened, or if randomly you have questions for Imvu or something they should help you with. You click on your browser, and then we're gonna click on help. So then we wait a second. So once this has loaded, you have to click on login, and there will be your name. If you have VIP like my other account, you click a live chat, and somebody will be here to assist you and help you. Like if you have issue, it will be resolved immediately. So if not, you can click on here, submit a case, help. Basically, on some stuff you have this question mark, and you have this help browser here. If you have some issues, it can help you out. So it will open, for example, you have your inventory link, blah blah blah, and you have all the questions about the inventory, how the stuff works. Other items have also, for example, this buy content, and also have a question mark, and it will help you here out how to pay. Like basically every item in here have a question mark. So here you have also a lot of explanations if you just started and have a lot of questions. For example, you have here this file some search as well, a question mark. And for the last category, we have music. So how do we listen to music on Imvu? We have, I think, one or two options. The first one is here, the music note. You have to purchase music online on Imvu, and I made my own playlist. But there have to be 2 persons in the room to play it. Otherwise, it won't play. So I have a lot of them. So now it have loaded, and we have here the top charts that are about to load. So let's listen to some of them. Over here, Tatiana. Yeah. So for example, I like this one. I click here, buy Imvu. I click here, buy. You can purchase it as a gift also. So there's so many. So the last 4-second left is music, and not every parcel, but some places have this music option. When you land there, the music is playing automatically, or of course you go to parties, you hear live music and the DJ talking. So let's check this out. So once we landed, we have this option. This location provides streaming media, which may require more of your network bandwidth. Play media now. Enable. And allow. And you should hear music, I think. Okay, let's click on this note. And you can already hear the DJ. And you can hear the music. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye!
You should see me in a crowd.